Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to round the corners of an image in Affinity Designer. This is a fantastic technique for giving your images a softer, more polished look that works great for web design, social media graphics, or any project where you want to add some visual refinement. Let's jump right into it. First things first, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the program opens, you'll either open your existing file or create a new one to work with. Now that you have your workspace ready, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where all your essential tools live. Click on the rectangle tool, and from the options that appear, select Rounded Rectangle. This tool is key to creating the rounded corner effect we're after. Next, drag the rounded rectangle onto your canvas. Don't worry too much about the exact size or placement just yet. We'll adjust that in a moment. Now look back at the left panel and click on the Move tool. This allows you to precisely position and resize your rounded rectangle. Place it over the image where you want the rounded corners to appear, and resize it as needed to match the dimensions of your image. Getting this alignment right is important because the rounded rectangle will serve as the mask for your image. Once you have the rounded rectangle positioned correctly, shift your focus to the top toolbar. Here, click on Corner, then select Rounded from the drop-down menu. This ensures that your rectangle's corners are set to the rounded style. Right beside this option, you'll see controls to adjust the roundness of the corners. Use the slider to fine-tune how rounded you want the corners to be. Play around with this until you achieve the look you're going for, whether that's a subtle curve or more pronounced rounded edges. Now comes the crucial part. Look over at the right panel, specifically in the Layers section. This is where you'll see all the elements in your project stacked on top of each other. Navigate to your image layer, click on it, and drag it above the rounded rectangle layer. By placing the image above the rounded rectangle in the layer hierarchy, you're setting up the structure needed to apply the rounded corner effect. And there you have it. You've successfully rounded the corners of your image in Affinity Designer. This simple yet effective technique can really elevate the visual appeal of your designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.